Hello, guys. Welcome to one more lesson at Speak Now. My name is Mateus, and today we will learn how we can demonstrate objects and people in English. Okay, by the end of the lesson, you will understand the difference between this and that, this and those. So, without further ado, let us begin. When we demonstrate something in English, guys, there are four possibilities: this and that, these and those. If I take an object, let us say this notebook, this blue notebook, I could say this is a notebook. I am demonstrating that this specifically is a notebook. This is a charger. Yes, I use to charge my phone. This is a white charger. This is a pencil case. I am demonstrating. This is a pencil case. And I could say this is a pen. Yes, this is a blue pen. This is one possibility, is the possibility when I say that I'm demonstrating an object that is in singular, because you see one pen, one charger, and one notebook. Yes, so it is one, singular. And when I say this, I am referring to something that it is close to me. It's close to my touch. So I say, this is a pen. Yes. So let's take a look in our board. Imagine that I have this ball here will represent any object. As we said previously, we said pen, notebook, and charger. Yes. So we would construct the sentence, guys, saying this is, and then we would use the article a or an, depending if the next word has the beginning with a consonantal or vowel sound. This is a pen. This is a notebook. And this is a charger. I could take, let me see if I find it here. I could take this object and I could say, well, this is not a pen, this is not a charger, and this is not a notebook. This is an eraser. Yes, the object that we use to erase the pencil. So this is an eraser. Yes. And then the similarities of these objects is that they are close to me and they are in singular, right? So you see, the distance between the person and the object is small. So these guys we use with things that are here and they are in singular. Yes. But in the moment that the object becomes far away from me, or the object is far away from me, I would use that. For example, that is a painting, and that is a couch, meaning that these objects now they are singular. That is a painting, is only one. However, this time I cannot touch it. It's far from me. So then we see the difference here. That, right? So while we would say for singular close to you, this, when it is distant from you, but it is still singular, we would say that. All right, guys? So this, for example, in this case, this is a ball. Yeah. And then on the second situation, that is a ball. All right. So we are demonstrating this is a ball or that is a ball. This is a charger or that is a charger. This is a notebook or that is a notebook. This is an eraser. That is an eraser. All right. Close to you and far away from you, but only one object. All right. And then the second part of our discussion concerns the plural, which follows the same logic. Because now I have these objects here. Yes. For example, I could take this, this, and I could take this. So this is a pen, this is a black pen, this is a red pen, and this is a blue pen. Together, they are three. Yes, so these are pens. These are pens. You can notice the difference between saying this is a pen versus these are pens. So when I am demonstrating in plural, we will use are and not is, right? Is singular. Singular. Are is plural. All right, guys? Another thing that it is relevant to mention, it is the article, which we will use with singular. This is a pen. This is an eraser. That is an eraser. But in plural, we will not use it. Because articles, it is to describe only one thing, singular. So in plural, we would say these are. Yes. There isn't much difference in the pronunciation between these and these. What really defines the sentence is the verb to be, because this in singular we say this is, and these in plural, right, we say are. These are pens. These are notebooks. These are chargers. And then here in this case, we would say these are balls. Yes, these are balls. They are in plural and close to you. You can touch them. So we would say these. Yeah, these are. These are here. This is a notebook and this is a notebook. These are notebooks. And lastly, we get those, right? So while this talks about singular here, that singular there, so it's distant, is far away from the person that is speaking. This is the plural here, meaning that you can touch. And then finally, that is those. Yeah, those you cannot touch. It is distant from you, it is far away from you. So then we would have, in this case, this distance here. Those are balls. Yeah, those are balls. And then you see, I could say, for example, this is a pencil. Yes, the object that we use to write. If it is distant, I would say that is a pencil. Singular, right? These two sentences are in singular. In plural, I would say these are pencils. Or if it is distant, those are pencils. So that's pretty much it. Singular, this close to you, that far from you. Okay, we will put this there. Close to you, right? A purple color, because red can be a little bit intense, right? So close to you, far from you. Singular. Yes, this is singular. Remember this usage of the to be. This is, that is, and then the article there. And then finally we get these two possibilities in plural to demonstrate when we are pointing things, we are showing. These are close to you and those are far from you. These are pencils, those are pencils. Fantastic, guys. So this is how we demonstrate um, elements in English. We can use that for objects, for people, like that is a house, or that is my friend's house, that is a tree, that is a beautiful tree. These are beautiful flowers. Those are beautiful trees. Those are nice buildings. So I am demonstrating the elements that I see. The name of these guys, these, that, these, and those, we call them the demonstrative pronouns because they demonstrate elements in English language. Demonstrative pronouns. So that's it. That's pretty much it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you on our next lesson. Bye bye.